Hey guys, this is Jom and welcome to Civil Raja, your gateway to future. So guys, we have started this series on how to study the structural drawing, and in this series we have covered a lot of portions, and we are in the last few phases of the this series. So what we are going to study today, we will study how you can study the plan and the structural design of the staircase, and the staircase that we have picked it today is the L-shaped one. Okay, so I have already created a video on how to study the dog-legged staircase and its details. In the previous video, I guess you have already seen that. And today we will directly start from the planning and design of L-shaped staircase. Okay, so this project is having the two staircases, and the second one will be discussed in today's session. So first of all, let's understand what is L-shaped staircase and why it is planned, and how what are the different structural benefits of this one. Okay, so an L-shaped staircase is a popular design that is commonly used in residential and commercial buildings. Okay, so it's called L-shaped because the staircase features two flights of stairs that are perpendicular to each other, forming an L shape. Okay, this design allows the staircase to fit into tight spaces and maximize the use of space. So let's dive into the planning and design of an L-shaped staircase. First, you need to consider the available space for the staircase. An L-shaped staircase can fit into the tight spaces, so it's an excellent option for the small houses or buildings. Once you have determined the available space, you can move on to the designing of the staircase. Okay, this L-shaped staircase designs offer many benefits. For example, it provides a comfortable and safe way of climbing up and down the stairs. The perpendicular flights are of the stairs create a landing, which makes it easier to change the direction on the stair. Another benefit of the L-shaped staircase is that it creates a focal point in your home or building. The staircase can be designed to match your interior design, creating a stunning centerpiece. Okay. Now, when designing of the staircase, when designing the staircase, you need to take into consideration the aesthetic functionality and the safety of the staircase. The width of the staircase should be determined based on the expected traffic flow, and the height of the risers and the depth of the treads should be designed in accordance with the building codes and regulations. Handrails and lightings are essential safety features of the staircase. Handles provide the support and stability for the people using the staircase, and adequate lighting is essential for the safety and visibility on the staircase. Finally, the material used in the construction of the staircase should be chosen based on the design, aesthetic, and durability requirement. Common materials used for the L-shaped staircase include the wood, metal, and concrete. Okay, so this was the basic detail for the L-shaped staircase. Now, I am going to show you the project details where I am going to take you to my AutoCAD screen, and there I will show you what are the different details for this particular s- uh, staircase. Okay, so I will just start it now. Okay, just give me a moment. Yeah, so you can see on the left we have the plan, on the right we have the structural design. Okay, so there are two sections over here in the plan. One is BB and the another is section AA. So here we have the cutout for the section AA, and then we have the cutout section for section BB. Okay, so we will study both of them. First of all, let's understand what is this staircase and how it is planned to be used. So you can see that this is the portion from where uh, the flight starts, and this is the first landing. Then we will climb a few more steps, and then we will have another landing. After that, we will climb the few more steps and reach the next floor. So on total we have two landings over here. However, in the L-shaped staircase, if the number of the like steps are almost equal, then we can also go with one flight. But because of the space constraints or anything, or aesthetic view or something, the architect has planned it in this way. Okay, I have not planned the staircase, I have just designed it using the Excel sheets. Okay, so I am just starting like that. Okay guys, one more thing, if you want to get the professional training on how to structural design the building structurally, then you can also join our classes. We can also guide you on how to do the planning of the building. So a lot of courses are being offered by us, so you can simply join us. And to join us, what you have to do, first of all, check out the contents of our courses in the description, and after that you can give me a call for the courses in which you are interested. My number is 8433248864, and the number is also mentioned in the description, so you can go ahead and check it out. And guys, like if you want me to make video on any particular topic, then you can simply just leave that in the comment section. Also, if you think that like after the end of this video you feel that okay, something I missed out something, then please comment that so that I can include that in the next video. Okay. And do comment anything that you feel about this video. And if you are new to this channel, Civil Raja, then also subscribe to Civil Raja. That's all I'm asking from you. And if you think that this video is going to be useful for you, then hit the like button. Okay. Yeah. Now let's continue with our plan. So over here you can see this is the steps where we have the landing of 1055 by 1045, and then will go ahead and we will have another landing of 1055 by 1067, and almost all the like risers are of 6 inches, and all the treads are of almost 10 inches. Okay. Then we have this area for the passage. Okay. So don't have the plan, so you cannot like visualize everything over here, but uh, whatever I can make you visualize, I will simply explain you. And our series is on a structural detailing, or you can say structural, how to study the structural drawing. So we will just jump to the right portion, like we rightmost portion. Over here you can see this is section A. So this is a cutout of the section A. So it will start from this one. Okay. Like this thing, and then it will go till this landing. Okay. So let's understand what are the different rods that are being used over here. So the main bars are of 12T at the rate 125 center to center. That means 12 dia bar are being used over here, and they are being placed at a distance of 125 center to center. Okay. So this main bar will start from here. I will simply mark it. You can see uh, this is also the main bar. Okay. This is the main bar. Then what we have the main bar, this is the main bar. Okay. I will simply mark it so that it can be highlighted and you can see the difference. Okay. So even this one is being used as a main bar over here, and you can see that and the distance is 125 center to center. Okay. Now let's talk about the distribution bar over here. So this dot that you can see over here, that is showing the distribution bar, and we will see the detail of the distribution bar also. So the distribution bar that is being used over here is 8T at the rate 200 center to center. That means 8 dia bars are being used as the distribution bars, and the spacing between them is 200 center to center distance. Okay. Now, other thing that you can see over here is the distribution bars on the top. Was the detail for the bottom, and this is the detail for the top. So the distribution bars on the top are 10T, that means 10 dia bars placed at 150 center to center, and the main bars are also 10 dia bars placed at 150 center to center. You can see the main bars are of the same dia, and the distribution bars are also of the same dia over here. Okay. So uh, I guess everything is clear. So for this particular place, this is 8 dia bars. Otherwise, at all other places, it is having 10 dia bars. Okay. So guys, I hope how to study the raw details you have already understood that, and how we have to make the bends and everything, that is quite clear in this drawing. So you can see we have to provide the development length over here. A development length can be provided over here. Okay. So there is also a basic formula for that, which is mentioned normally in the note section, but over here development length will be something that is a little less than the thickness of the cover. Okay, so over here, to be exact, I will tell you how much will be this development length. So this development length will be this landing minus the cover. Okay, so normally that is 20 15 to 20 is the cover over here, and after that this rod dia will be deducted, and after that we can simply calculate this distance of the rod. Okay, so that will be the main bar that is being provided over here. Okay, so I guess everything is clear, guys, and if you have any kind of confusion, you can simply ask that in the comment section, and I will try to just bring out an image so that you can have a better understanding of how the work is being executed on the site. If you want that video, then all you have to do is to simply like this video and share this with your friends and colleagues, and also subscribe to Civil Raja and leave your demands in the comment section, and I will definitely make a video on your demand. Okay. So, and if you want to join the professional training, check out the details in the description, and connect with me on 8433248864. This was Om and signing off. Thank you.